international defense. Why should you rely on a criminal law firm specializing in international law? If you are an entrepreneur, an investor, or a professional operating across different jurisdictions, you know well that legal issues can become complex, especially when they involve financial tax crimes or extradition crimes. The international law firm ILA specializes in global criminal defense with a network of expert lawyers in the world's major financial hubs. So, if you have an ongoing criminal proceeding or are under investigation in multiple countries, ILA can provide you with immediate assistance. Where does ILA intervene? The key countries for international defense. International legal hubs include Dubai and the Middle East, especially regarding tax and commercial disputes for entrepreneurs and companies. Assistance with the freezing of bank accounts or electronic money, EMI. Defense in proceedings. 4. Tax evasion and money laundering. London and Switzerland, financial fraud crimes at the international banking front, assistance in extradition proceeding, fund blocking, defense for companies involved in suspicious transactions or trust of share. USA, Latin America, defense for international economic and financial crimes, support for companies and individuals involved in investigations for money laundering and drug trafficking, protection in case of extradition requests to the United States, USA. Then, Hong Kong and Singapore, assistance for financial crimes related to digital banks, cryptocurrencies, and hedge funds, defense of Asian entrepreneurs. In cases of tax evasion and illicit transactions, protection for companies with operations in multiple countries, subject to international banking controls. Malta and Cyprus, with defense in proceedings for money laundering and international tax fraud, assistance for offshore companies and financial trusts. Under investigation, support for the release of bank accounts and real estate properties. So why choose ILA? Your legal defense without borders. The ILA firm offers immediate assistance and tailored legal defense for entrepreneurs, investors, and professionals with legal issues in multiple countries. Lawyers, experts in criminal, international, and tax law, a global network of law firms in Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and Latin America, personalized defense strategy to avoid extradition and block seizure requests. Consultations on cryptocurrencies, electronic money, and operations. International financial transactions and utmost discretion and protection for our clients. These are the elements that distinguish the professionalism of ILA. So if you find yourself in legal trouble in one or more jurisdictions, ILA can provide you with an international legal protection umbrella, intervening both in the country where you are currently and in the nation where the trial is taking place. So don't wait until it's too late. If you have received a notice from Interpol, a freezing order, funds, or are under investigation for financial tax crimes, you must act quickly. So contact the number below for a confidential consultation and find out how ILA can protect your freedom and your international assets. Also follow the page to stay updated on defense strategies for global entrepreneurs and investors.